Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Time 5 seconds for each question. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question 1. The baby bark crying loudly. Correct answer is option A. Question 2. She has doll pencils in her box. Correct answer is option A. Question 3. There, Mike, 2 apples on the table. Correct answer is option B. Question 4. They have lived here. Das 2010. Correct answer is option B. Question 5. The sun always hacker in the east. Correct answer is option B. Question 6. I in to school yesterday. Correct answer is option C. Question 7. We waiting for the bus. Correct answer is option C. Question 8. He did not like spicy food. Correct answer is option B. Question 9. They bought out TV when I came? Correct answer is option C. Question 10. The cat Max sleeping under the chair. Correct answer is option A. Question 11. He asked to school every day. Correct answer is option B. Question 12. She'd not come yesterday. Correct answer is option C. Question 13. We was English for 2 years? Correct answer is option C. Question 14. They was playing football when it started raining. Correct answer is option B. Question 15. She our English very well. Correct answer is option B. Question 16. We does dinner at 8 p.m. yesterday. Correct answer is option B. Question 17. The train at 6 o'clock. Correct answer is option B. Question 18. She singing when I called her. Correct answer is option B. Question 19. They have never been to London. Correct answer is option B. Question 20. He his homework already. Correct answer is option B.